Hi and welcome to another video on the channel. Today I have a skincare tip video for you, and I'm going to be showing you how to apply your thick face moisturizer without spending too much time blending it in. You know, thick face moisturizers sometimes come out looking like that. Okay, especially if you apply it the way all these Instagram skincare influencers apply theirs. You know, the dot everywhere, and then you try to use two fingers to rub it in. It's going to take time, and if you're in a hurry, that is just not the best. So I just want to quickly show you how to apply your thick face cream, because right here I have this really super thick face cream. I don't know if you can see, it's really thick. Okay, so let me show you how I apply mine. I think the first tip I can give you is try not to use too much. Yeah, we want our faces to be moisturized, but if your moisturizer is as thick as this, then it's possible that this little pea-sized amount is packing quite a punch. So you don't necessarily have to use the same amount you would use if your moisturizer was looser in texture. All right, so I usually use a pea-sized amount, and I just take that and I put it into my palm, not straight to my face, into my palm, and I'm going to show you. So after putting it in my palm, I like to, rub it together. What's the word they call it again? Emulsify or something like that. So yeah, rub it together, and you see that's turned white. I understand. It's looking scary. Okay, I get it. But just follow me here, and I'm going to show this in real time. I'm not going to speed it up. Okay. Okay, I have a mirror behind me, so if I'm not looking at you, don't be afraid. So basically, pat the moisturizer onto everywhere you want it to be. So your forehead, your cheeks, T-zone, chin, neck, just pat it on. And then anywhere that is still white, just still pat it. Yeah, there we go. All the face cream has been, it's blended into my skin, so you can go ahead and absorb as slowly as it wants or as quickly as it wants. It doesn't really matter, because it's not white on my skin anymore, unlike this from the beginning of the video that I showed you. This was me actually struggling to film a skincare video, and you know how we do it on Instagram, we like to be aesthetic. I spent like a whole minute and a half rubbing that thing in. But I figured this out like last week. So I was like, so I've been doing it wrong the entire time. And I thought, you know what? Keeping this knowledge to myself is not going to be fair. So I decided to do this video. So yeah, that is how to apply thick moisturizer onto your face. If you want to learn how to use your moisturizer as eye cream, check out this video. And if you want to see my full skincare routine, check out this video. If you are just learning this tip, let me know in the comments. And if you've been new, let me know in the comments as well. Like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.